Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. On this channel we talk about skincare, anything that has to do with skincare, organics, premix and supplements, what to use and what not to use, what is good for you and what is not good for you. So if you're interested in skincare and everything skincare, this is the place to be. And to my returning subscribers, you know I got so much love for you. Thank you for coming back to this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy our content and like this video. If you find it very helpful or enjoyable or something you like about this video, just give it a thumbs up, guys. Your like and subscription means a lot to me. It means that we're doing something good out here. Okay, so I appreciate it. Now that's enough intro. Let's get into this. I'm going to be talking about this supplement today. Yes, this supplement. Okay, so if you've seen the supplements in the market, you don't know what to do with it, you don't know what it does, or there's so many supplements out there, decision, don't know what to do, like this supplement, that supplement, what to do now. So many supplements. Don't forget, when you're one-stop shop for supplements and organic ingredients, our information is in the description box. So it's the same bottle, I don't know why I have two, but let's just get into it. Okay, so this is the Vzera Whitening Experts Glowing Whitening Radiance. It has L-glutathione, L-cysteine, collagen, pure powder and pure vitamin C. All right, it says supplement fat, 7 size, 1 vegan capsule. It has 30 capsules in it. L-glutathione complex, reduced form, 700 milligrams. So L-glutathione is 700 milligram. L-cysteine is 300 milligram. Marine collagen is 250 milligram. Pale powder extract is 250 milligram. And then it says the other ingredients are vitamin C, sakura extract, and all of that. It says to take 1 capsule daily with water 20 or 30 minutes before meal, or as directed by a healthcare professional. Take as a dietary supplement. Do not consume more than 2 daily. Please do not exceed the suggested dosage. If you're pregnant, nursing, or taking any medication or planning a medical procedure, ask your doctor before use. Keep out of reach of children and all the good stuff. Okay, if you're definitely here because you're looking into supplements, or you want to know what is good or what's something you can use, this supplement is a go-to. Okay, so let me give you a quick backstory of this supplement. So when I first started, I started with jawwhite. When I started my whole supplement journey, I started with jawwhite. That was the old jawwhite, and jawwhite was amazing. Like, when I was taking it, I didn't really see the effect until one day I looked at my legs and I was like, you know, you're rubbing cream, sometimes your leg is very hard to blend. When I looked at my leg and I was like, is that my leg? Yes. That was when I knew that supplement and jawwhite was a great supplement. Okay, but so many things have happened since jawwhite. Jawwhite has, the original one has been discontinued. They brought in the 2.0, which is freaking slow. Like, why am I spending that much money to have to use like more than 2 boxes to get like visible results? Do you understand? So a lot of people have dropped jawwhite, and then I moved on to Glutax 75G. You guys know my experience with Glutax 75G. It wasn't all that. A lot of people say it's good, it just keeps the skin glowing and all of that, but I didn't get that result with Glutax 75G. So I discontinued Glutax 75G. Why am I stammering? Then I moved on to what did I use again? Yes, I moved on to Glossaberry, and then what's it called? Pure Crystal Collagen. I moved on to Pure Crystal Collagen, and that was also a hit. Pure Crystal is a hit, you guys. That supplement is amazing. Okay, but they also started bringing out new stuff. Like, they brought in, like, they will tell you that it's a new and improved formula. And honestly, from my experience with supplements, when they come in with that new and improved formula thing, they've adjusted something, or they think they're doing something better, and it just spoils the whole thing. Okay, so when I see new and improved, I just come up. The only brand that has been very consistent is Certain Skin. Certain Skin, they brought their glutathione and vitamin C. Then they brought in their, what's it called, their BBO. I actually haven't gotten around my certain skin BBO yet, but I will, and then I'll share my experience with that. A great supplement. I like the supplement because it has similar ingredients like the way you have jawwhite. It has pale powder, and it has L-cysteine. So L-cysteine is another supplement was phytoastaxanthin. I think I made a video of this yet. I'll post the link up for you guys to see. Phytoastaxanthin also has L-cysteine, L-glutathione. This is if you're on a budget, this is a great supplement to use, and it's also very good, you guys. It's also very good. The problem I have is I have to try so many things to review for you guys. That's why I have so many like supplement videos, but this one is very good. Like, they're all very good in their own way. Do you understand? They're all very good in their own way. And about it, like, I don't like is the smell. It smells funky. It smells really funky. Even when you put it, like where I take my supplement, I put it into a bottle of water, put my vitamin C, put my berry for sweetening, and I shake and I drink. It's even inside the bottle, it smells funny, but you know, beauty is pain. You have to tolerate and, you know, take it. So yeah, as you can see, this is the bottle that I've been working with. I have an extra bottle. I bought two. I like to buy two, use it very well. And this. So what I do is I take this in the morning on an empty stomach, like it says, 1 capsule. Then some days, if I'm feeling extra in the night, I'll take another capsule, but I don't take more than 2 in a day. I don't take more than 2 in a day. Okay, so it's been about 2 weeks since I've been using this product. Remember, it's 30 capsules, so it can last you a month, and that's one thing I like about it. The supplement is 15,000 naira. See, you know why I had to skip like that? Because dollar is fluctuating. It's fluctuating. Like, it's really fluctuating, and so it's very hard to stay consistent with price. Pricing might shift. Today you might have price like this, tomorrow you might have price like this. So that's the thing. But this product, 15k. Okay, and Phyto is I think 15k as well. Phyto Astaxanthin is 15k as well. So this is a very good brand. I really like it because, like I said, I like the ingredient list. I do get visible results from it. So you have to use like one full bottle to get results with this product. Okay, like I said, I take some days I take 1 day, some days I take 2 in a day, and all of that. When you're using this supplement, for sure you want to pair with your vitamin C. And you guys know me, I'm not here for that bitterness. No bitterness over here, no bitterness over here. I always take it with my Natty Ester vitamin C. I put it in a cup or a bottle, and I shake and I drink. If I'm sick, I don't like taking drugs. I prefer injection. Like, I prefer all those, like, direct anything that's going to affect, like, me tasting bitter stuff and all of that. I'm not here for that. Okay, so if you're taking this, it doesn't tell us the amount of vitamin C it has here. I don't really think it has a lot of vitamin C in it, so please pair with vitamin C. Now, the whole of this serving is about this is 1,500 milligram. The capsule is 1,500 milligram, but the glutathione here is 700 milligrams. So you definitely know that you need to double your dose of what's it called, of glutathione. So this is 700 milligram of glutathione. You definitely want to take about 1,000 or 1,500 milligram of glutathione, because your glutathione is supposed to, or vitamin C, sorry, because your vitamin C is supposed to be double the amount of glutathione you have here. Okay, so this is one of those cases where you can definitely take 1,500 milligram, because this is 700 milligram of glutathione comparing with other things. So I would say take 1,500 milligram of vitamin C with this, because it doesn't tell us the quantity of vitamin C that it has in here. All right, so guys, this is my review of the Vzera X-Packs. I would definitely give an updated review where I show you like befores and afters, but the truth is supplements are great. It's an added advantage. You see, supplements give you that clean look from inside out that topical products do not give you. And another thing again I noticed about supplements is when I started taking supplements, because I'm someone that used to fall sick very well. I used to fall sick a lot. But when I started taking supplements, do you know that I went like a year and I didn't have any like a problem like maybe cramps or headaches or things like that. I didn't really have anything that would make me like break down for weeks. And supplements, I feel like supplements help from the inside out. They're cleansing your system, so they also help to boost your immune system. I don't know if this makes sense. So all those talk about supplements, they supplement that. Supplement has its advantages as well. Apart from the side effects, which is the lightening of the skin, it also helps to me to boost your immune system. All right. So that is it for me for Vzera. It is a good supplement. The only thing I don't like is the smell. That's all. But it is a very good supplement. And trust me to bring in more reviews on supplements, skincare products, things that are good, what's buzzing in the skincare industry, and things like that. If you would like for me to review this product, I laugh because if you would like for me to review this product, please let me know in the comment section below or send me a message, and I will make a video regarding this Meditamin Snow Cell supplements. Okay, I just got this so it might take me a while to review it. Okay, but let me know if you're interested in seeing a video about that supplement. All right, please don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel to get more information. Turn on the notification bell. Turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.